If you want to factory reset your Motorola signature, then we have a couple of ways to do so. The main method to hard reset your phone is by going to Settings, then in Settings scroll down until you find System, then in System you should be able to find Reset Options, and then in here Erase All Data. You will have the summary of everything that is going to be removed, which is pretty much everything. And keep in mind that you should of course make backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. And also you can erase eSIMs as well if you have them on your phone. So if you want to get rid of them, then of course you can select that. You can check that box. And once you're ready, just tap on Erase All Data and follow the rest of the instructions. Besides that, another way to hard reset the phone is by using the Find Hub or Find My Device. But first, of course, it has to be enabled. So if we go to Security and Privacy, and then we're gonna go to the device finders, we should be able to find the Find Hub. You need to have the location enabled. Most likely it has to be enabled, but of course the this option allow device to be located should be on. And when it's on, you can use one of these two methods in order to use the Find Hub and then hard reset the phone. So in this case, I am using the browser, and as you can see, we are on google.com/android/find. This is the Find Hub website, and of course, you want to make sure that you are using the correct Google account, the same one that you use on your phone, and you should be able to find your phone over here on the left side. So you want to click on it, and then you should be able to also find the factory reset device option. So you can use that to hard reset your phone. And besides that, of course, we have the recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we're gonna restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu and tap on restart. Once restarting disappears, press and hold volume down immediately. And then just hold it until you go to the fast boot mode. It should take a couple of seconds. Just keep holding this button. There we go, we are now in the fast boot. Use volume buttons to find recovery mode, and once you find the recovery mode, press power button to confirm. Now after a couple of seconds, you will see the Android logo with no command text on the screen, and it's gonna look like this. So once you have this, you want to press and hold power button, and once you hold the power button, press volume up, so like this. And then you will be in the Android recovery. Here we also navigate with the volume buttons, and you want to choose wipe data/factory reset and confirm with the power button. Then of course over here confirm by choosing the factory data reset option. If you select that option and you go back to the main menu of Android recovery, just choose reboot system now and confirm with the power button. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.